I know it's a very mucky mess over here for these guys. We are going to be moving them very soon. We just got to get a couple things fixed up fence wise, especially the fences. Oh my gosh, the fences need a lot of attention. And once we get that all done, it's pretty much ready to go for these guys. But we got to have the fences working right. We got to have them set up good, especially for the babies. Because the babies are the ones that are real good at sneaking under the hot wire,